Hey everyone, it's Bella from mergerdata.com, and today I'm going to be talking about HubSpot's new feature, which is currently in beta, and it is workflow actions for associations. So if you go ahead and open up a new workflow, you can go to CRM, and then you're going to see some new actions here that have to do with associations. So apply association label, create associations, remove association labels, and update association labels. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the difference between apply, create, and update. It can be pretty confusing when you're trying to create a new action without knowing the difference between those three specifically. So I'm going to show some examples for each of those three to help clarify and make it a little bit less confusing. So the easiest way to explain this is to give an example for each. So I created a little whiteboard here to help walk through some different scenarios. So for example, let's say that we have a company name, it's called ABC Company, and we have three contacts, Alice, Bob, and Charlie. So first we want to create an association, and creating an association is pretty self-explanatory in that it creates an association between two objects. So, for example, we have the company and we want to create an association between the company and Alice, and then the company and Bob, and the company and Charlie. Because before creating those associations, these three are just contacts out in your HubSpot platform, and this is just a company, but they're not connected. So creating an association creates those connections that were not previously there. Moving on to applying association labels. So after you have created an association between, in this example, a company and a contact, you may want to apply a label that will tell the nature of that association. So in this example, we may want to apply a label that tells the specific roles of each contact within ABC Company. So we can apply the label primary contact to the ABC Company and Alice association. So that's going to say that Alice is the primary contact for ABC Company. And then same for Bob, we can apply a different label. So billing contact, and then Charlie can have the label of technical contact. So now we have created associations and have specific labels that can specify the specific roles that each contact has in the company. Lastly is updating association labels. So this is when you have an association already created and you have applied an association label, but now you want to update the association label. In this example, let's say that Alice, Bob, and Charlie all switch roles within ABC Company. So we don't need to go and create those associations again, but we want to update the label. So now we have a more up-to-date label of their specific roles within the company. So Alice is going to get updated to a technical advisor. Bob is going to get updated to the primary contact, and Charlie is going to get updated to the billing contact. I hope this video was helpful in clarifying the difference between creating, applying, and updating association labels in HubSpot.